We are in the incredible Masai Mara, which has been just a phenomenal experience. We've seen incredible game. We are exactly 6 months into our year-long East Africa tour, and I think it's a good time to look back on some of the gear that we've got and you know, what we feel about it now, having had a chance to actually use it day in, day out. One of the funny ones is a winch, because actually, if I'm honest, we've used the winch twice in 6 months. Once in South Luangwa when we were really stuck, and the other time in Kadepo National Park in Uganda, to actually try and pull somebody else out. And the thing about winches, I guess, is that despite the infrequent use, they give you a sense of safety and security. There have been lots of occasions where we've gotten to a little river crossing or a bog, and we've looked at it and gone, oh, we don't know if this works or not. But often, if there's a tree on the other side or something that we know we can winch off of, we'll do it. And it just gives us that sense that we can take that little extra risk. We're by ourselves, we don't have other vehicles around us or traveling with us. So often we'll look at the situation and go, oh, it's okay, like there's something good to winch off of. We trust that if we get stuck here, we can use our winch and we'll be 100% fine. That makes me feel much safer and be able to cross through obstacles with a lot more confidence. And when you do that, there's a funny thing that you actually, a lot of the time, you do just get through just fine. But I know that if we don't, we just hook up the old winch. We may have to use our extension strap and put a strap around the tree, and we'll be out in no time.